everyone, welcome back to another video of Handy Gifts. So today's topic is Valentine's Day, as you all know. So firstly, happy Valentine's Day to all of you in advance. I would like to ask you all a question. What is Valentine's Day? What do you think of Valentine's Day? I'm sure most of you will have a notion that Valentine's Day is for couples, but I don't have that notion. And actually, Valentine's Day means to spend time to show your love to people whom you love the most. So it doesn't have to be a partner, it can be your parents, it can be your siblings, it can be your best friend, anyone for that matter. So why only couples? Why can't you celebrate it with your parents, siblings, or best friends, anyone? So in today's video, I would like to give you a few ideas of what gift you can give them. Couples, obviously, people give either ring or anything for that matter, what they like, but I would like to give you all ideas what you can gift your parents, your siblings, your best friends on Valentine's Day. So without wasting time, let's begin. Hello again. Let's start with parents. Coming to our mothers, I am sure most of our mothers would like to save money, so giving them some cash or maybe sending them money online, even if it's 10 rupees or 100 rupees, that will make them happy. And I'm sure I've seen most of the time that our mothers like to save money, so if you give them money, that will be the best gift ever. So I think gifting them some money is a good idea, and you can, doesn't have to be like I have to give 1,000 or 2,000. You can give how much ever you, even if you give 10 rupees from your savings, that will make them happy. So I think any amount, the amount doesn't matter, that saving is what matters for them. So that is one of the best gifts I could think of. Coming to our dad, that is coming to fathers, I think Chipolo tracker will be one of the best idea to gift. Chipolo tracker is nothing but it's a chip which you can use maybe you can ask your dad to use it in his wallet, or maybe as a keychain to his keys, which he can track. By chance he keeps somewhere and he forgets it, he can track it through his phone. So most of the times I've seen that fathers keep the key somewhere or maybe wallet somewhere and forget it. So I think that is one of the best gifts you can give. So Chipolo is one of the best gifts I could think of. Coming to siblings, I think best idea would be just like mothers. We can give them either money or maybe a gift card which will make them happy. So I think I could only think of that for siblings. Even if they're elder or younger, that will be the best one. So generally I think of this. Then best friend or maybe partner also, even if you're committed, so you have a partner. So for them or your best friends, I think Reason Why I Love You card is one of the sweetest and cute DIY gift that would be helpful, and you can make it sooner. You don't have to spend much time for that. And coming to a general gift which you can give anyone in this, maybe parents, siblings, or best friend or partner. A general gift would be a trophy, handmade trophy, and if you're far, like if they're in different place and you can't meet them, then I think an e-greeting card would be better. That is online greeting card. So that is what I could think of for gifts on Valentine's Day for our loved one. So all the links related to these gifts are in the description below. You can check them out if you like and would like to give these gifts. Then you can check out those links and buy it there, or maybe if it's DIY you can make it. So that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Hello again, I hope you liked the video. If yes, then do give a thumbs up. And also, if you are new to the channel, Do click on the red subscribe button below and also hit the bell icon so that you get to know whenever I upload new videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.